Listen into what exactly Himanta Biswa Sharma said, because he levelled many allegations against Gaurav Gogoi and his wife Elizabeth.
Minister has embarrassed himself on national stage. After a 2.5-hour long press conference, he was not even able to convince the journalists in the room. If you listen to the questions asked by the journalists, even they were not convinced. And therefore, the Chief Minister thinks that the people of Assam do not have any intelligence, do not have any knowledge. So he should respect the people of Assam. People of Assam know who is the ultimate deceitful Chief Minister, most misolia Mukhyamantri, sabse jhoot bolne wala Mukhyamantri, people of Assam very well know. And people of Assam will decide concisively and decisively in the upcoming assembly election to throw out Himanta Biswa Sharma from the CM's chair. Right now, the way our Congress party is undergoing a Samay Parivartan Yatra, where we have uncovered more than 4,000 acres of land, 4,000 acres of land belonging to the Chief Minister and members of his family. He is unable to hide from that. He is unable to run away from that. He is unable to hide that. And therefore, a desperate Chief Minister is resorting to the only thing he knows, which is lies, lies and more lies. Complete bogus. I think he made an he embarrassed himself. He made a mockery of the chair of the Assam Chief Minister in front of the entire national media. I want to ask if there are certain BJP ministers in union government. I hope you ask the same questions to those BJP ministers also.
Sir, why Interior Ministry of Pakistan have extended your visa?
Today, the report shows that the Chief Minister is extremely worried. He has made an embarrassment of himself. For 2.5 hours he went on, but even the journalists in the room who had come from Delhi, even they were not convinced. And all the questions, if you listen to the questions, you can hear from themselves that the journalists also don't believe what the Chief Minister presented today.
All right, so this was the response of Gaurav Gogoi over the allegations that were made in a press conference by Himanta Biswa Sharma, where Himanta Biswa Sharma has clearly stated that there are clear Pakistani links, the links between Elizabeth and a Pakistani agent, that is Tauqir Sheikh. Now let's move forward and get you other top national stories in Bharat in 1 minute. A cab driver was allegedly assaulted by two young women in Bengaluru. The two women were reportedly under the influence of alcohol. According to the police, the two women picked an argument with the cab driver. When returning from a hotel, now police said the woman abused the driver, assaulted him when local residents intervened to stop them.